Google
In this
Chrome.
guide, I'll show
Whether
you how
you
to
want to
delete
remove
your
a
search
single
history and
search,
clear history from a specific time period, or delete everything completely. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now go to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. From the list, hover over History, then click on History again to open the full browsing history page. Here you can manually find specific websites or searches you want to remove. For example, if you searched for something earlier, you can check the box next to it. If there are multiple items, you can select all of them. Once selected, click on Delete in the top right corner and confirm the action. This will remove only the selected history items. Another method is to click on Delete Browsing Data from the left-hand side. Inside this window, you can choose exactly what you want to remove. By default, browsing history will be selected, which also includes your Google Chrome search history. You can also click on Advanced or Show More to select additional data such as cookies, cached files, and more. At the top, choose a time range. You can delete history from the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or select all time to completely clear everything. Once you're ready, click on Delete Data. After a few moments, your Chrome search and browsing history will be removed successfully. And that's it. Your Google Chrome history has now been cleared.